ये कहाँ आ गए हम, ते चलते चलते। Where are we at now?
We'll go crazy. We are in Himalaya.
Okay.
2 hours more to Devrali. From Devrali, 2 more hours to Machapuchre. It's just a beautiful morning. I'm so tired.
Yeah, my legs are paining.
Legs are paining. Yeah.
Good morning, Rai. Good morning. So you can see the snow has already started last night. We'll have to go through the snow. And right now we are at Himalaya. It's the name of the place basically, and it has just a couple of guest houses. Let me show you. It's written Himalaya is 2900 meters. All the national and international trekkers are heartily welcomed in the Annapurna Sanctuary. Now you are in Himalaya. Here are 2 lodges, Himalaya Guest House, Himalaya Lodge. Just to imagine, and we are staying in one of them. Here is one of the guest house, Himalaya Guest House and restaurant. And we are in Himalaya Hotel. It is number 10th here. So let me give you a briefing, like where would we be going today? Right now we are here. We're here. We gotta go till here today, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Annapurna base camp, and we might settle there and we might return back, or we can return back to Machapuchre. We'll see that. Like once we start trekking, we'll get to know more. Let me show you the beautiful place. A lot of stickers here in the cafe. This is their dining area where you get to eat and sit. Morning, uncle. Morning. यहाँ से हमें कितना टाइम लगेगा माचापुचरे तक? और अगर अन्नपूर्णा में रहने का जगह है, so you got the information. It might take 6 hours. Hello, brother. How are you? So it might take 6 to 7 hours, but we can go, depending upon the condition of the road and the weather. Well, let me get back to the room and wake the other chap up. Princess Sogi, okay? Come boys, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up call. खोल दिया. Good morning. Good morning guys. Good morning. Good morning. अच्छा. उठ जाओ भैयो. मौसम भी क्लियर है.
I was amazed to see so many options when it comes to food in guest houses even at this height. The list is huge and so is the price. At the breakfast we had bread, butter, jam, honey and tea all the time because it was included in our package, especially when we started hiking.
तो दे दो. क्या? Bread ऊपर से निकाल.
As soon as we were done with our breakfast, it was time to get ready with our luggage and start heading towards MBC.
Guys, are you all ready? Yes! Whoa! How's the Josh? Hi, sir!
Hi, sir!
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir! How's the Josh? Hi, sir!
It isn't high yet. Everybody together. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir!
Fantastic.
Hi, sir!
We are 14 people now.
14?
Bob is also coming with us.
Who is joining?
No, that's Bob.
Oh, we have a new member in our trek. Hello, Mr. Bob.
It's Bob. It's Bob.
All right, we have started from Himalaya. The plan is to reach Embassy today. Let's see. Hey guys, we started our trek at 8:10 a.m. Currently on the way to Machapuchre base camp, and if we can manage to reach early, then we will head to Annapurna base camp where we'll be staying there. Let's see. There is a forecast says that there will be heavy snowfall today, but we are keeping our fingers crossed. May Almighty help us. So far we have 14 guys with us. These are the people, and 3 of them are at the back. Shishapangma.
It's 8,050 meters.
Okay. What was the river's name, Suraj?
Oh, the river name, I don't know. This is the Lowry, the camp called. The Lowry.
The Lowry is the river.
Also the river probably.
Yeah, because
No, I don't know the river. The camp. The camp is the Lowry for sure. And the river, I don't know. I know we want to think about the river. I think it's cold for sure. Very cold.
we will go and find out there, right?
Yes.
And someone said that after you...
In front of us, this mountain, this is Annapurna South.
This is Annapurna South.
Yes, 7,266 meters.
Right. Where are you from, brother?
Poland.
Wow. We are in a beautiful location. And... Devrali kahan ho, bhai?
देवराली त्यहाँ सब रहेन
That one?
That one देवराली
Yeah, it looks pretty close, but I think it will take around half an hour.
No just 30 minutes
30 minutes. Half an hour, 30 minutes. Same boy, bhai. And then we have to cross the river and take a different route.
different route.
Wow. Thank you.
Welcome.
Damodar bro is awesome. He has been continuous support in this entire trip. So I want to thank Damodar bhai. Thank you, Damodar bhai.
Thank you. You are most welcome.
We are most welcome. ये देखिए आइस स्नो सब शुरू हो चुका है and we have to be very careful here. Follow the trails guys, follow the trails. कोई एक यहाँ पे रुक जाना, अभी इनको बताना है ब्रिज से मत आना। भाई लोग अभी अपन लोग पहुँच गए हैं देवराली गेस्ट हाउस। Not just guest house, the name of the place is Devrali, right? Okay.
There are 3 to 4 guest houses in every place,
Okay.
except for Kongan where there are a lot of...
Like Prakash said, the name of the place is Devrali. So yeah, we are.
It's frozen.
Yeah, it's frozen.
Frozen waterfall.
Very pretty. Very pretty. चलो आप लोग को दिखाते हैं देवराली का गेस्ट हाउस। यहाँ पे ज़्यादा गेस्ट हाउस तो नहीं, 1-2 ही होंगे, 3-4 हैं। ये देखिए बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़ हर जगह। अब तो शुरुआत हो रहा है कि नहीं प्रकाश?
कोना की जगह में बर्फ ही बर्फ।
So Devrali is at 3,200 meters.
Hearty welcome. There are 4 guest houses,
4 guest houses here.
and in Machapuchre we have number of lodges equals to 5.
5.
Distance
2 hours. Cool. कैसे आइस पिघल के छत से गिर रहा है, ये देखिए। Man, such amazing view. Look at the rooftop of all the guest houses. It's getting melted and falling down.
a spot used by the travelers as a benchmark for their journey and also resting place. Usually between two villages in the mountains can be termed as Devrali. Well, this Devrali is a settlement area for the people hiking to ABC. There are 4 lodges here and it's located at 3200 meters, which is 10,498 feet.
We are at Devrali. This is the place. Here is it, Devrali, 3,200 meters. Next we're going to ABC, which will take another 2 hours. And then if we can manage, then we can go to ABC. If there is a guest house there, then we will be staying there. Let's see. The proper briefing is here. As in like, कहाँ से कहाँ तक कितना टाइम लगेगा, ये काम आएगा अगर आप लोग इस तरफ आते हो कभी तो. We are now in a very risky zone. There is a avalanche risk area, but the snow is quite less now, so let's see. We just need to proceed. Be very careful with this trail like this because it is very slippery. Wow. बोलते हैं कि difficult road often takes you to beautiful location. Look at me where I am today with my friends, of course. It is very important to follow the trail here, otherwise there's a chance that you'll get sleep and anything can happen. So just be very careful while taking these small baby steps while you are in the snow. All you need to do is follow the trail.
Halfway from Devrali to MBC. It'll take 1 more hour to reach there. So there are 2 ways. I mean, both the sides there are mountains. You should not be walking from the left hand side. You must follow this plastics, the green and the blue plastics. And I will be crossing a river. The dog is so pretty that he is
Leading the way,
and he's
showing us the way.
all the way from Chomron.
Time to cross the river now. Small bridge. Farhan and these guys are relaxing a bit. This guy is collecting water, fresh water. You can drink any water you want here. Not any, like जहाँ पे पानी रुका हुआ है वहाँ से मत पीजिएगा. But flowing water is always fresh. Guys, let me tell you, this route is getting tougher with every step. Now we have come to a place like where the trail is difficult to find and it has become very narrow, and as you can see the clouds are approaching. There can be snowfall at any time, so we gotta move fast. The time right now is 11:45, so we gotta reach to Machapochre base camp by say another 40 minutes. I have traveled many destinations and I have done many treks, but this is one trek that I will never forget. Oh my god, it's beautiful, it's scary at times, it's giving you all kind of terrains and
Right now you can see we are in the middle of the clouds. Before, just few minutes back, it was sunny. Right now we are 30 minutes away from Machapochre base camp. Fuck. Oh my god. बहुत ज़्यादा स्लिपरी है भाई लोग, आराम से आना. धीरे 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 धीरे, ग्रिप योर स्टेप्स का ग्रिप पकड़ना, अपने अपना ग्रिप पकड़ना. आराम से आराम से आराम से. I'm getting slightly breathless and words are, the pronunciation are not coming out well. Oh god, look at this. Freak, man. So I'm waiting for the guys who are at the back. I'm waiting for them. I'm just waiting for them to come and then we can proceed. Yeah, धीरे धीरे snowfall हो रहा है. Can you see? Yeah, slowly slowly. देख 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 देख. Snow तो अच्छा लगता है और जब snowfall होता है तभी अच्छा लगता है. But the problem is in high altitude when it snows heavily, ये जो आप लोग को ट्रेल या ट्रैक दिख रहा है, जो ट्रेल बना हुआ है basically it gets disappeared, and once it gets disappeared you are stuck, you are lost basically. So yeah, we have just 20 minutes left and after that we'll reach Machapochre. One of the guy is walking very slowly because he is tired, but I am accompanying him. Rest, all the guys moved ahead. The safest way to keep my phone inside here. I don't have a raincoat, man.
It's a good idea.
Thanks, buddy.
You're nearly there.
Yeah,
Less than 1 kilometer. We go up a little bit more, then we down.
Have you been there before?
No, but I can see on the map.
Oh, that is an offline map?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'll show you.
So I think it's just half an hour more.
Yeah. So we have come all the way from here. We just,
Not much, right?
nah, this is all that's left.
How much walking distance is showing now?
900 meters. This
Just
is the
900 meters?
This is the graph. We drop down a little and then slowly.
Nice.
So there.
Thank you for the information, bro.
No
Where
problem.
are you from, Mike?
England.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from India, but
Where in India?
yeah, I'm based in Delhi, but I'm from Assam actually.
Delhi.
Yes, sir. What are you saying? Yeah. Are you guys a family?
What, sorry? Yes, that's my store.
No, that's so sure.
Yes.
We have a plan to go to ABC actually today because there is a base camp also.
Yep.
Yes.
There's a camp like where we will be settling up there. Let's see. It depends upon the weather how clear it gets.
I don't think it's not going to clear again, is this?
We cannot. Hopefully, if things get all right and if there is time, then we'll hopefully do it.
I'll keep you a room.
Oh, excuse me.
I'll serve you a room at
Yes.
MBC.
Sure.
Nice hot cup of cha.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Come on, guys. Just 900 meters left. Yes. Not much. Just a kilometer. कोई दिखा आप लोगों को? यहाँ पे खाली मैं हूँ अभी. कुछ लोग आगे हैं, कुछ लोग पीछे हैं और मुझे वेट करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि कुछ लोग मेरे पीछे हैं जो थोड़ा सा स्लो है बिकॉज दे आर फर्स्ट टाइमर्स, सो आई हैव टू वेट फॉर देम फॉर द सिक्योरिटी. It says Annapurna base camp is just 2 hours and Machapochre base camp is 3,700 meters where we have fooding and lodging and everything, including Wi-Fi. Here is it, the board. Let me come a bit closer to the board. so you can have some information. But anyway, you can see the closest view of the fishtail. Himchuli, Annapurna South, Annapurna 1, 3, Annapurna Fang, Can Peak, Gangapurna, so many glaciers, man. In case of high altitude problems, you are requested to inform the hotel owner or your guide immediately and follow your instructions. The prices of the menu every lodges are fixed by the TMC as well as STAC, so please do not bargain when we have a safe and nice journey. There's some guys coming. How was it, guys?
Fine, fine. Okay, it's a lie.
You're going down to...
Rally, I think we have our luggage there.
Alright.
Great trip up and down.
No.
Clouds came when we were up soon.
Oh fuck, man.
Yeah.
Safe trip, guys. Nice. Safe trip now. All the way down.
Thank you for you the same.
Yeah, thank you. Kenapa lagi sih? That's the spirit. Finally, हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं माचापोचरी बेस कैंप. ये देखिए, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा क्लाउडी हो रहा है. सामने जाऊंगा तो और अच्छी तरह दिखेगा आप लोगों को. मेरे 3 दोस्त लोग अभी पीछे हैं, तो उसी का वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. हाँ, हे डू. कुछ भाई लोग ऑलरेडी जाके सेटल हो गए. हमें बस जाके सेटल होना है. ये है शंकर गेस्ट हाउस, में जाना है.
स्वामी ला ना देखेगा ना.
समय नहीं आया क्या?
नहीं आएगा.
कहाँ पे हो?
दाना वहाँ पर भन्छ, लेकिन नहीं देखेगा.
डोंट वरी, विल फाइंड हिम. ढूंढ लेंगे.
ढूंढ लेंगे ना.
So finally we have reached the base camp of Machapochore. Hey guys, am I audible? Just 2 minutes. I was listening to my favorite band. That's Tool. That's a heavy metal band. Anyway, I'm gonna discuss just a couple of points very quickly. The first one is the budget. Of course, so मेरा 12 दिन का बजट इतना बन चुका है, 12,934 रुपये, 12,934 rupees in 12 days. Second thing is the distance that we have covered so far. The distance is 32 kilometers in 3 days, which is 56,030 steps. Quite a lot, it seems. Okay, then my third point मुझे देख के बताना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि मैंने नोट डाउन करके रखा है यहाँ पे. Third point is I will talk about the length of this episode. इस एपिसोड, ये वाला एपिसोड थोड़ा लंबा बन गया है मेरा, because there are so many things in this episode that I cannot exempt, as in like there's so many footages जो मैं हटा नहीं सकता था. मैं चाहता था कि I wanted you guys to enjoy with me thoroughly. like मैं जिस ट्रेल पे गया था, जहाँ पे भी गया था, मैं चाहता था कि आप लोग भी एंजॉय करो वर्चुअली. सो मैंने ज़्यादा, और मैं बहुत सारे निकालने के बाद भी इतना लंबा हुआ है ये 22 मिनट, और मुझे पता है कि ये सब बोल के मैं ये एपिसोड और भी लंबा कर रहा हूँ. प्लीज़ आप मुझे इसके लिए माफ़ करना. कमिंग टू द फोर्थ पॉइंट, आप लोगों ने एपिसोड के एंड में देखा होगा, दामोदर ने बोला है कि वन ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड इज़ मिसिंग. सो it's funny and at the same time it's a very serious matter for all of us, because हम लोग के साथ में ही था, अचानक से वो गायब हो जाना बहुत ही रिस्की मैटर होता है, स्पेशली इन प्लेसेस लाइक दिस जहाँ पे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड एवलेंस प्रोन एरिया में आप लोगों को पता है क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंस हो सकता है. दामोदर ने यही बताया कि वो शायद एमबीसी के फर्स्ट वाले गेस्ट हाउस में है, एंड देन आई टुक द इनिशिएटिव ऑफ गोइंग देयर, एंड आई डिड नॉट गो टू द टू द गेस्ट, बट वो मिडवे पे ही मिल गया था और उसको मैं साथ में लेके आ गया था अपने गेस्ट हाउस पे. That's what I want to convey to you guys, that while you are in a group, be in a group, do not, आगे पीछे होता रहता है बट थोड़ा रुक जाना चाहिए क्योंकि ये सब एवलेंस प्रोन एरिया है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स का खतरा रहता है. अगर कुछ हो जाता है, गॉड फॉरबिड, यू कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग, लाइक यू नो. बाकी जो होना है अपन लोगों का वो तो अपने किस्मत में ही लिखा हुआ है. एंड लास्ट द सॉन्ग बिफोर कंक्लूडिंग दिस एपिसोड, आई ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट यू अ सॉन्ग. सो इस बार हम लोगों ने माछापोछरे बेस कैंप में साथ में ही परफॉर्म किया था. मतलब एक हम लोगों का अपना ही एक म्यूज़िक सेशन हुआ था, तो वही वाला गाना आप लोगों को पेश कर देता हूँ. सो यू गाइज एन्जॉय द song and I am gonna be enjoying my genre, which is heavy metal.